What's up, muscle car people? This is Bring It Muscle Cars, and I'm Quinn. We're bringing you another installment of Fiesta Friday today, and today we're addressing the top 5 first mods you should do when you buy your Fiesta ST. Now, I've kind of laid these mods out in a way that builds up to our final number 5. You'll have to wait and see what that is. But the first modification you should do is your rear motor mount. This is the stock rear motor mount. And as you can see, it's just soft rubber and there's a lot of holes and gaps in here. If you're feeling like there's a clunk going in the second under wide open throttle, or there's just a lack of feel from the throttle response, this is your culprit. This is a weak point from the factory. In fact, this is actually the same rear motor mount that they use in the Fiesta SE, which isn't even turbocharged. The second modification you should do is replace the stock intercooler. As you can see, this thing, there's not much to it. It's got the plastic end caps. They're not even welded. It's just crimped at the ends. This, especially if you're living in a warmer state or part of the world, I should say, this is a limiting factor. In 90-degree temps, let's say you live in Texas, you're experiencing 90, 100-degree temps, you're gonna be heat soaking like mad. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna pull timing, which means you're gonna lose power. And especially, this is just a great peace of mind to get as you work your way up and you want to build a little bit more power and get a little bit more out of the car. So what I did was I replaced this with a Whoosh Motorsports V3 because I plan on building more power in the future, maybe even a big turbo down the line. Jared went with the V1. Both are a great option. The V1's better for you if you plan on staying stock turbo. Both are way better than stock, and they're the most affordable intercooler that you can get out there. Best bang for your buck by far. Now, the third thing I recommend is replacing the factory exhaust. As you can see, I've already replaced mine. I actually cut it to get the new one in. There's a ton of different exhaust options out there. I went with the FS Works. That's more of a mild exhaust. It's not gonna be too loud. There's a lot of other things, thermal R&D, mount tune, the list goes on and on. It really just depends on how loud you want your car to be. I don't know that this is really going to give you that much more of a performance benefit, but when it comes to the miles per gallon, I gotta say, I always love a car with a little bit of an exhaust note to it. Number 4 is the factory Airbox. We actually just replaced this one. As you can see, we've replaced all these so far. We'll have links for those videos in the description. But this Airbox is actually good for about 300 wheel horsepower, but it's quiet. And if you're like me, you like the sound of turbo noises. So this is a great bang for your buck. I replaced mine with the Whoosh short ram intake. Completely happy with it. And as we build up into our 5th mod, this will actually have a little bit of a performance benefit. And number 5 is our tune. Now, as we all know, any car with a turbocharger will benefit from a tune. Generally from the factory, they're a little bit more conservative on the tune. Basically, this is your key, Cobb access port. You can run the off-the-shelf tunes from Cobb. I wouldn't recommend it. I recommend going out and talking to a tuner, having them work with your specific car, but this is your gateway. So not only does it give you the access to update your car's tune, but it also allows you to check on any, it's a code reader, it has gauges. I mean, really for the $500 that this is, the benefit totally outweighs the cost. So I highly recommend this. I highly recommend talking to a tuner. You're gonna really wake the car up. So thank you for watching. Those are my top 5 first mods. Now, you can get all of this stuff from Whoosh Motorsports. I highly recommend you go and you visit their shop. We'll have a link, as I said before, in the description. And I hope you got some information from this video. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and if you have a fast car like this Fiesta ST, you better bring it. Thanks for watching.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm going to link a couple more videos that if you like this one and you made it all the way to the end, you're going to definitely like these. So watch them. Also, that middle button right there, I think is probably, you know, somewhere in there. Hit that button to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more action.